guys, for this video, try not to shine it in the eyes. For this video, I'm showing you guys kittens. And this is not my channel, but make sure to check out my channel. Delaney Salvo will be in the description. And yeah, there's really cute kittens and they're so adorable. Here's the first one. And that one's name is Solder. Then we have Socket. He's so cute. Then we also have Hex, and he's adorable. This is a girl. And yeah, Joseph's filming. He can show himself if he wants to. So yeah, that's this one. And yeah, they're meowing because they want to come out, but they can't, sadly. And yeah, and there's also some in here. There's also some in here, which I will be taking out to show you guys. So this one is called, wait no, this one's named, I think this is Phillips. This is Phillips. He's so cute. His eyes are, I think they're flipped around for some reason, a birth defect. And then we have this cute little guy. His name is Welder.
Best.
And these ones are separated from the other ones because
they're tiny.
Because they're tinier, and we're afraid that their other ones are gonna hurt them. So yeah. And yeah, so that's for the video. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.